Hello, today I will show you the fiber laser cutting machine. The cutting size is 1.5 meter, 3 meter long, 700 watt with the IPG. So now we show you how about the Accurl fiber laser cutting machine, the cutting speed and RQ. Look at this, the English language, and we just cut this to show you the cutting speed and RQ and the cutting quality. So let's engineer to working this machine. 可以，你先那个能不能空跑一下，快速的来空跑一下。The machine is very easy operation, and different material you can change O2 or nitrogen. 空跑一个。切吧。 等一下啊，切，等一下啊。Look at this. This RMB 1 yuan. This RMB half yuan. And you can look at this. 等一下切啊。The hose. The hose is very small. You can see the cutting the quality. Very small. Okay. Let's see the machine how to cut. 可以，切了。切吧。可以吧？这几个两个一小点。Very nice. And let's we see the small like RMB cutting the sample. 切那个圆的。哦。臭逼。The hole size is 0.5. So look, this is cutting the quality. Why you not choose Accurl fiber laser?